In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the region settings in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing projects across various locations or simply need your settings to align with where you are, adjusting this preference can streamline your work and make sure everything displays correctly. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. Head over to the home page and input your credentials to access your dashboard. This first step is crucial as it allows you to make the necessary changes to your settings. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your pathway to your personal Smartsheet settings, where all our adjustments will be made today. After you click your profile icon, you'll see a list of several options. What you're specifically looking for here is Personal Settings. Clicking on Personal Settings will take you into a more detailed settings menu that's unique to your account. It might take a moment to load, so just hold on for a bit. Once you're inside the Personal Settings menu, focus on finding the area labeled Settings. This section is filled with options that control your personal account preferences. By clicking on it, you'll be led to even more specific settings, including the region preferences targeted in our tutorial today. Now that you're in the settings area, take a scroll down until you locate the region preferences section. In this part, you have the power to select your desired region from a list that includes various options like the United States, the United Kingdom, and many others. Selecting the right region is important, as it can influence date formats and other region-specific settings in Smartsheet. So make sure you choose the one that matches your current requirements or aligns with the location you work the most with. If you're uncertain, it might be a good idea to see what region your colleagues are using or stick with the one your organization primarily operates in. Once you've made your choice regarding the desired region, the final crucial step is to ensure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located somewhere on the screen, and click on it. This action is essential to locking in your new settings. Skipping this step means your changes won't actually take effect, and you'll have to repeat the entire process. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your region settings in Smartsheet, adjusting your workspace to better meet your needs. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your user experience and ensure everything is seamlessly aligned with your geographic requirements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.